Hello again, my brilliant learners. It's great to see you back, ready for another word. Some words are useful because they describe everyday feelings, and today's word is one you've probably felt before. Today, we're going to learn the word awkward. So, what does awkward mean? Awkward describes something that feels uncomfortable, strange, or a bit embarrassing. It can be a moment, a movement, or even a silence. We all have awkward moments, and that's totally normal. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word awkward. There was an awkward silence after his joke. I felt awkward at the party because I didn't know anyone. She gave me an awkward smile and looked away. Carrying the big box up the stairs was really awkward. He made an awkward comment that nobody understood. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember awkward in context. Last week, I went to a dinner party with some friends. When I arrived, I realized I was wearing slippers. I had forgotten to change my shoes. Everyone looked at me, and I felt so awkward. I laughed and said, "Well, I guess I'm the relaxed guest tonight." That helped a bit, but I still felt strange. Later, I knocked over a glass of water by accident. More awkwardness, but my friends were kind and helped me clean it up. By the end of the night, we were all laughing. Those awkward moments turned into funny memories. And now, I always double-check my shoes before going out. So, that's the word awkward. Uncomfortable, strange, but often unforgettable. Use it this week to talk about real-life situations. See you next time for another helpful word. Take care and keep learning.